Hello everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video, and you may have noticed we got a lot of volatility in the cryptocurrencies, GBTC. Oh, let's give it a daily chart here to do it justice. We got the Forex and all that kind of stuff. For those of you that don't know, if you have Bitcoin or owned some Bitcoin in the past, you woke up this morning with a nice present. Pretty crazy, right? It'd be amazing if you owned that much stock and they said, hey, by the way, we're going to give you, a nice chunk of change there. So let's see, where's it trading right now? 16. So it'll be interesting to see how it settles out. Who knows? Maybe it's going to crash from here. Maybe it's going to go higher. But it's certainly fascinating to watch this. Now it's time to buy some more Ripple. Going into the markets, one trade I like here on the long side is EOG. You got squeezes all over the place. See if we can kind of work our way up to that fire line. And then on the downside, I am looking at stocks that are very extended here for some end of month rebalancing. And at the top of the list is Home Depot. So the rebalancing comes when a particular stock exceeds the percentage it can hedge fund can hold in their account. Say like, okay, we can't own more than 1%. Our portfolio, more than 1% of our portfolio can't be in one stock. So you get a stock like this that, maybe it starts off as 0.75% of a portfolio and then it gets up to 1.25%. And per their charter, they have to cut back on that. Well, when you get a situation like that, you typically see a lot of violent movement either the couple days before the new month, or in this case, I'm anticipating that it's going to happen early in January, simply because, looking for, here, I'll put it on here, these guys want to show on their records what they did, but you can see we're getting signals here that it's showing like, okay, we're starting to see funds and algos short this stock and a couple of other ones like that. And so we want to keep an eye on that. So that's something that I think is pretty important to keep in mind. And then looking at a couple of the key sectors here, financials today really just cannot get through this snow line. And you can see at this point, of course, we do not have any squeezes or anything to help it out. And this is also a category for a little bit of retracement into with the beginning of the new year. On the other hand, crude oil, a commodity, looks very good. I like, if you trade futures, I like crude oil itself. I like the energy sector, and I like most of the stocks in the energy sector as well. And this is when I'm looking for long trades into the new year, while a lot of these other kind of high-flying companies and sectors get rebalanced in a lot of portfolios. All right, this should be a fun time. You guys have a great evening, and looking forward to seeing you at the next update.